What's up, YouTube? Welcome to April's dividend recap. We're going to go over the 18 different companies that paid me $28.18 for doing nothing. I'm rich, bitch! April 1st, Coca-Cola, 52 cents. April 6th, Iron Mountain, $1.40. April 6th, Walmart, 34 cents. April 9th, AGNC, 88 cents. April 9th, Medical Properties, 88 cents. April 15th, Maine, 6 cents. April 15th, O Realty Income, 28 cents. April 15th, Main Street, 41 cents. April 23rd, Prospect Capital, 27 cents. April 23rd, Prospect Capital, $7.86. 27th of April, Campbell's Soup, 53 cents. April 27th, General Electric, 7 cents. April 29th, Shaw Communication, 3 cents. And again, April 29th, Shaw Communication, 28 cents. April 30th, Gladstone, 75 cents. April 30th, SPHD, one of my favorite monthly paying dividends, $12.61. And April 30th, PGX, 46 cents. April 30th, LTC Properties, 55 cents. 18 payments, $28 for doing nothing. And this will just continue to accumulate and grow month after month after month. Now we have to wait till the end of May. See how much we get paid in May. We have to wait until the year 2021 before we can put any more money in this account.
They said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. They ain't never had the dedication.